Make money by watching video ads. Everyone hates ads, but did you know you could get paid to watch them? Most people just tune them out, but there are ways to make money by watching short videos. Although you might not earn enough money to replace your paycheck, watching ads could be a lucrative side hustle. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through your social media feed, reading emails, or watching TV shows, check out this list of the best apps and sites that will pay you for watching ads. If you want to earn extra money each month, watching video ads online can be a good option. Yes, you read it right. You can make money watching ads. And the best thing is you don't have to make any initial investment to get started. With your smartphone and data connection, you're good to go. This article will unpack everything you should know about how to make money watching ads. And you will also learn ways to maximize your earning from watching ads. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the YouTube channel, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Number 1. CashKick. Unlike most companies on this list, CashKick pays you in cash. You don't have to worry about reward points or electronic gift cards. You can just cash out your earnings straight to your PayPal account once you reach the $10 threshold. CashKick has an above-average overall rating of 62% on Trustpilot. There are, however, some complaints about the amount of time it takes to reach the minimum cash out. CashKick's low minimum payout thresholds let you cash out easily and often. It doesn't use a point system, so you can just watch your money accumulate until you have enough to cash out. Different activities will earn you different cash amounts ranging from $5 to $20. Don't forget to take advantage of CashKick's referral program and invite your friends and family to sign up. You can earn a 25% commission on the total earnings of anyone you refer to CashKick using your unique referral link. Number 2. GrabPoints. Founded in 2014, GrabPoints is a reward site that pays users for completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. The company has paid out over $5 million in earnings and has a low minimum payout of just $3,000 points. GrabPoints has an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot from nearly 2,000 reviewers. Unlike other platforms, GrabPoints does not require personal information beyond a name and valid email address. This makes it quick and easy to sign up and start watching videos. You can get paid to watch ads by flipping through their channels until you find videos that interest you. Watching videos, downloading apps, or filling out surveys can earn you from 2 to 10,000 points, depending on the task. You can also earn 25 to 250 points by referring friends and family to join GrabPoints depending on the country you live in. If you know people who like watching videos and would like a little extra cash or free gift cards, you can earn some extra points through the GrabPoints referral program. Number 3. Viggle. Viggle is another reward app launched in 2012 that pays users to watch TV shows and check into live sporting events. The company has paid out over $19 million to its members. All you need to do to start earning is download the Viggle app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. Viggle has mixed reviews on Google Play, with some users citing bugs and issues with the app after an update. However, it still might be worth checking out whether a new update has solved the issues. Tune into your favorite shows and check into live sporting events to start earning points. Viggle pays 10 points per minute for listening to music or watching shows. Each point is worth about $0.001, so it will take you about 1,000 points to earn $1. Points can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. Number 4. iRazoo. iRazoo is another legitimate reward site that pays you to watch videos, take surveys, and complete tasks. With a 4.3 rating on Trustpilot and many satisfied users, it's an appealing option for people who want to earn money watching ads. From playing games and watching videos, mostly app trailers and movie trailers, to taking surveys and sharing your opinion, iRazoo offers tons of easy ways to earn money online during your spare time. Download the app to get paid to watch ads on your phone or find special offers from their partner brands. You can earn 0.08 to 1 point per video you watch or 1 point per minute of gameplay. Once you've earned 3,000 iRazoo points, you will qualify for any $5 reward. These rewards include gift cards and PayPal cash. You can also earn money and points by referring friends and family to join iRazoo. You'll get a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points, depending on your country, whenever anyone signs up using your link and earns their first 1,000 points. Number 5. Fusion Cash. Founded in 2005, Fusion Cash is one of the oldest paid survey sites. To date, Fusion Cash has paid out over $3 million to its members. You can get a $5 sign-up bonus just for confirming your email and completing a brief survey. Although it has just a few mixed reviews on Trustpilot, with some users complaining about customer service, it still may be worth a try. If you don't want to sign up, you can still earn money with Fusion Cash in several ways, including watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. You can earn cash that can be deposited directly into your PayPal Cash account after you reach the $25 minimum. To get an idea of how much you might earn, listening to the radio will earn you 3 cents, and watching videos will earn you between 1 cent and 2 cents. You can also earn points by referring friends and family to join Fusion Cash. This lucrative referral program offers $1 for a referral who confirms their email, $2 for a referral who completes a pay-to-sign-up offer, and $5 every time a referral cashes out. Watching ads is one of the best side hustles and can be a great way to make some extra money. Fortunately, there are plenty of reputable companies to choose from. Although you won't get rich, you can make money online in legit ways in your spare time. Keep in mind that it may take some time before you start seeing significant earnings, but it's a great way to generate passive income in your free time. So, that's it for today. Was this video helpful? Share your views in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.